Okay, I think we're ready to test it. Let me disable the built-in card so there are no issues with it. So I want to disable that one. That's the built-in card. I don't want to use that one. I am after this guy. I had to add some drivers as well. So I downloaded drivers from the internet. And it's just next, finish. It was done. Now, here is an app. And I am connected to ASUS 5G. What I want to do, I want to connect to another laptop that is on the network at the moment, and I want to connect to it and use drag and drop to copy some files. Let me connect to it now. Here we go, I am connected. So that was the IP address. I put a password for it. Now I am here. I have some files in place. Now I am after this zip file. I will try and copy and see how it goes. This file, take a look how fast it was. Okay, I'll show you a trick. So what you can do, if you have a big file, you can copy it a few times and paste. Yeah. Then what you can do, you can just highlight everything and zip it again. Or in my case, I will add it to WinRAR and I will use store only. It is much faster to archive and I don't really have to compress. Actually, I don't want to do that because I want to make sure it's big, right? Because I want to see the transfer. Okay, so let's sort by size now. If I manage to see that. Here we go. Yeah, that's 1 gig. And let me zoom it in for you. Okay, here we go. And it is drag and drop. Yeah, copy and replace. So it is around 50-60 megabytes per second. That is around 500 megabits per second, guys. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah? That's fast. Now, I'll show you what will happen if you just switch to 2.4. So let's do it. Let's go back to the router, which is 192.168.1.1. Let me just zoom it out so you can see that. There we go. And in here, 2.4, that's our pre-shared key, and that's what I want to use. So in here, I go to my cards, I say available networks, and I am after ASUS, okay, because ASUS is 2.4. And I want to connect to that one. My password is 1234567 1234567 Okay. It's trying to connect. It is connected now. Okay. can take a while to reconnect. Let me just refresh. Here we go. I am connected to ASUS now. Let me just verify that. Just trying to open it. Open, here we go. Okay, so it is connected to ASUS, which is 2.4. My IP address, that's fine. And now I will do the same. I will do drag and drop, and we'll see what happens, how slow it is going to be. And please compare. Yeah. 7 megabytes per second. It is like 10 times slower than 5 gigahertz 802.11ac. Okay, so that's good. It looks like all values that we expected, or at least I expected.